President, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Ajima.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The Chancellor of the University, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II Asantehene, the Excellency, the King of Eswatini, Nananom, Honorable Ministers of State, and other members of government, Chairman and members of Council, the Vice Chancellor, Rita, it's a joy to see you, and all Vice Chancellors present, members of the Diplomatic Corps, members of Convocation, faculty, staff, and students, the class of 2025, where are you? Members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I think it's still morning, so I can say good morning. Good morning. Yeah, thank you. Let me begin by addressing the concerns of our Chancellor. He spoke about, first of all, Chancellor, thank you for the kind introduction and the kind words. Thank you very much. You spoke about completion of teaching hospital. That cannot be more important. It's very, very important. And I want to assure you that I take this concern to the President, and I have no doubt that he will take the right steps on it. You also spoke about motivating our young faculty members. That is very, very important. Having gone through it myself and having children in the profession, I appreciate that. At the personal level, at the level of experience, and at the level of necessity, we must grow our young intellectuals. So it is also in the right way. And as I go forward, I'll explain it through our one of our interventions. And I also know, it's always nice to come back on campus. It's always a joy. And I also know that coming on campus on days such as a joyous one is more interesting than on a day of aluta. So I'm happy to be here. I also know that on a day like this, having heard all the beautiful speeches coming before me, the students are not in a mood for more speeches. But they just want to take pictures and, is it true? You want to shake hands and take pictures and leave. So it means that I haven't forgotten about you. So I promise not to take a long time. Your Majesty, I would like to express my gratitude both personally and on behalf of His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama, to you, the Governing Council, and the management of the university for this invitation to the final session of the 58th Special Congregation Ceremony. His Excellency sends his warm regards and best wishes for the successful ceremony to all graduates. It is a day of dialogue and of looking forward. It is also a day of celebration. I'd like to commend the KNUST for staying true to your founding mission. Your material and digital infrastructure continues to support effective teaching and learning. Your commitment to research for national development is also highly commendable. We take pride in the increasing number of MPhils and PhD graduates produced by this institution every year. These graduates contribute to national discourse through their research across critical sectors. I encourage faculty and students to continue conducting impactful research and actively share their findings with both government and industry to promote development. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me briefly mention a couple of key policies that government is currently prioritizing in tertiary education. First is a National Research Fund, and I speak to all faculty, especially the young ones. Government commits to creating a sustained resource base to support research. This same commitment motivated the NDC government in 2016, when I was in the Ministry for Education, to begin setting up the National Research Fund. After much debate, the bill was passed by Parliament as a National Research Fund Act. This government is once again committed to making the fund operational, and as a result, has set up the National Research Fund Board and its secretariat with an initial amount of 50 million Ghana cedis from the Gov't Fund. Government continues to introduce funding models that enhance access to quality education. One is a no field stress policy. Through first-year students in public institutions to be exempted from paying academic-related fees. Yeah, I know you are graduate students, so you will not be so excited, but we need to think of the younger people. So I think we should clap for them. Statistics from the Student Loans Trust Fund, who manage the policy, shows that by mid-June of this year, nearly 130,000 students had accessed the portal. Over 100,000 had completed their applications. The official launch of the initiative is planned for next week, July 4th. The government places a high premium on academic freedom because it promotes university operations and ensures smooth functioning of governing councils and management. I want to assure you that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is firmly committed to empowering university councils and management to perform their statutory duties without undue political interference. Opemsuo Chancellor, please permit me to add that the government's non-interference policy means that universities will continue to be held to high standards. The Ministry of Education, through the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, will continue to partner with institutions to ensure that they continue to comply with the regulations, policies, and standards, and that governing councils operate within provisions of the statutes and acts that govern university operations. Thus, the ministry will intervene for compliance, but not interfere unduly with legitimate processes and operations of universities. The faculty, you are not happy about this one. Your Highness, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I wish once again to commend all graduating students on their remarkable achievements. You have worked hard to be where you are today, and we are here to celebrate with you. Congratulations. as you step forward to contribute to your quota to national development, remember that the nation is counting on you to be forces of innovation, leadership, and progress. Your future awaits you, and I have every confidence that you will shape it with brilliance, compassion, and commitment. To the faculty, administrators, staff, parents, and guardians who have supported these graduates, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you. It has not been an easy journey for any one of you. Congratulations to all of you too. I wish you all the best. May the good Lord bless all of us and continue to bless our homeland, Ghana. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Shall we please be seated?